Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to change your App Store password. Understanding how to manage your security is essential for all your online activities. You might need a new password if you have not updated it in a while, or if you feel your account could be compromised. This process ensures your App Store and other Apple services remain safe and exclusively yours, giving you peace of mind. To begin, simply open the Settings app on your iPhone or iPad. Once inside, you will see your name displayed prominently at the top of the screen. Tap on that to access your Apple ID details. Within your Apple ID options, find the section labeled Password and Security. This is where you can manage various aspects of your account protection, including the password itself, securely. Now, on the Password and Security screen, select Change Password. Your device will then ask for your current passcode to confirm it is actually you making this change. This is a crucial security step. Afterward, you can enter your brand new password. Make sure it is strong, incorporating at least 8 characters with a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols for maximum protection. Once you have typed in your new password, you will be asked to enter it one more time to confirm. This helps prevent typos and ensures you remember it correctly. You might also see a prompt asking if you want to sign out of other devices that are currently linked to your Apple ID. It is often a good idea to confirm this action. It ensures all your devices are refreshed with your updated security, enhancing overall account safety.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.